Hello, how are you all? Well, today again, because it's such a boredom sitting at home, we have come out to this place called as Huron Natural Area, which was approximately 85 kilometers from my home, and it took us like hour 5-10 minutes to reach here. This area is basically a natural park which is spread in a total land area of 264 acres. There are so many trails out here, different parks, places that you can actually visit with your family and friends. So we are quite excited and looking forward to it. The weather is quite cold today, and honestly I forgot to bring my cap, and thank God I found this beanie in the car to save me from this super cold weather. I basically was looking for a place where I can just go around within the whole snowland and I can enjoy, play and make a snowman probably, but I'm not too sure if I'll be able to do that. So I got my gloves to see if I can actually do that or not. It looks like a beautiful area. Let me show you guys around. Hang on. This is just a little glimpse. It's just near to the entrance where we parked our car, that side. And we'll keep moving and see how it's gonna look like. But to my surprise, I didn't think that there were gonna be too many people out here, but there are plenty of cars which are parked outside. So let's see. And it started snowing all of a sudden, like little flurries that I can see all around. And this cold wind is just nice clean white snow. Well, in Canada the only way you can actually enjoy in winters, and if you don't wanna crib about living in a snowland, is basically to find an excuse of how you can make most out of it and enjoy your time with your loved ones. I think for the last 3 days since my vacation started, we have been just at home. Every single day I've been asking Vivan, let's go somewhere, but obviously the weather wasn't pleasant, it wasn't really great. So we were kind of a bit too lazy to go out, step out anywhere. So I forced him, I insisted him, I said we have to go out today, else I'm just going by myself. So then I looked up for some places and found this nice natural park in Kitchener, and as I mentioned, it was 87 kilometers from my place. So I'm quite excited, and I feel like it's a blessing that now it's all white all around and suddenly it has started to snow again. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's like a frozen pond. It's so cold out here that even this little pond is all frozen. Beauty at its best. I only wish I could walk on it. This whole thing that you see here, it's all frozen. Oh my. Here are the two langurs. Say hi. Hello. Jaggi has got his drone today, so he'll probably capture beautiful shots of me. Cheers! Oh my god. Raspberry cookie. So this park is basically divided into 6 different trail areas. I thought it was 7. Anyways, it's 6. It's in a red, green, orange, yellow, purple and blue trail zone. So Jagraj picked up red, Aman picked up blue. So we are gonna go this way because both the trails are towards the same side. So now Jagraj is doing what he does best. Setting up his drone to take beautiful shots here. Finally, the drone is ready. Throw this on him. अमन ये मिटन्स पहन लो. अमन अपनी शक्ल दिखाओ. हे भगवान. ये तो बीप करना पड़ेगा. जग्गी ये बीप करना पड़ेगा. We guys are heading out. We've reached the main entrance. It was a beautiful experience. I really had a lot of fun exploring the place, just like a snow white land, you know, the fairyland. Beautiful experience. Never got a chance to experience something like this. Phenomenally beautiful. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of my day. And you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see each other soon. Hope you all enjoyed this vlog of mine. If you did, do subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you. Bye.